In this lesson, we learn how to graph an equation by finding the x and y intercepts. Here is an x and y axis shown on a set of Cartesian axes. Here is the x-axis marked with an x. The x-axis is where y equals 0. This is the y-axis. The y-axis is where x equals 0. In this question, we will find the x and y intercepts of 2y plus 3x equals 12. The x-axis intercept is where y equals 0. We take the equation and substitute y equals 0. 2y, or 2 times 0, equals 0. And so we have 3x equals 12. Dividing both sides of the equation by 3, we get x equals 4. The x-intercept has the coordinates of x equals 4 and y equals 0. The y-axis intercept is where x equals 0. We take the equation and substitute x equals 0. 3 times 0 equals 0, and so we get 2y equals 12. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, we get y equals 6. The coordinates of the y-intercept are x equals 0, y equals 6. We can mark these intercepts to graph 2y plus 3x equals 12. The x-intercept is at 4, 0. We go to 4 on the x-axis and mark the coordinate. The y-intercept is at 0, 6. We mark this coordinate at 6 on the y-axis. We can now draw our graph with a straight line through these points. The intercepts just tell us the position at which the line passes through either the x or y axis. In this example, we will find the x and y intercepts of y minus 4x equals 8. The x-axis intercept is where y equals 0. We take the equation and substitute y equals 0. We have minus 4x equals 8. Dividing both sides by minus 4, we get x equals minus 2. Therefore, the x-axis intercept has coordinates of minus 2, 0. The y-axis intercept is where x equals 0. We take the equation and substitute x equals 0. We are left with y equals 8. The coordinates of the y-axis intercept is 0, 8. We will use these intercepts to graph y minus 4x equals 8. The x-intercept was at minus 2, 0. We go to minus 2 on the x-axis and mark a point. The y-intercept is at 0, 8. So we go to 8 on the y-axis and mark a point. We can now graph the line by drawing a line through these two intercepts. Visit mathsathome.com for further videos and practice.